yourself, but on Him you can simply pray. Jesus, please guide my way today and help me learn that trusting you is the key. I want you to be close to me. So I am coming closer to you. Thanks for listening, loving, and helping me through.